Breakfast. For breakfast. Roasted vegetable. Potato lang naman to. Croissant. Yan. Muffin. Tapos fruit. Ito. And then, ito yung food ko. Wala silang hot choco. It's not available. Dahil Filipino tayo, oo, mag-hard boiled egg tayo. Sausage, I hope it's not so spicy. Fruit, melon, and then toast bread. Yan.